Hi kids! Here are some quick and exciting brain teasers to make you think, guess, and smile. Let's see how many you can solve. Let's begin. Question number 1. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I? Question number 2. I am a huge ball of hot gases that gives Earth light and heat. What am I? Question 3. I fall from the sky. I can be liquid, solid, or gas. What am I? I have roots, but I am not a tooth. I have leaves, but I am not a book. What am I? I cover your body, protect your bones, and can get scraped or cut. What am I? I am an animal that breathes with gills, lives in water, and has fins. What am I? During the day, I am blue. At night, I turn black and show many lights. What am I? I can be hard like a rock or soft like clay. People use me to build things, but I am found under your feet. What am I? I move air around, help plants grow, and can be gentle or strong. You can feel me, but never see me. What am I? I am the only planet you can live on. I am covered with land, water, and air. What am I? To check your answers, great job! You use your smart brains today. See you next time for more brain boosting challenges.